Continuation of Nuristan Hydropower Plant maintenance and supervision. A technical delegation from the Afghanistan Bishna Shirkat Nangarhar zone has traveled to Nuristan province to improve and oversee the operations of Nuristan Parun Hydropower Plant. The team is working on maintaining and supervising the plant's widest component. According to the delegation, the first turbine has resumed normal operation after maintenance, while additional technical work continues. The first turbine had a damaged bearing, which was replaced. We addressed the related technical issues and prevented further spanning. It is to be said that Nuristan Hydropower Plant, with 2 turbines totaling a capacity of about 1 megawatt, provides electricity to several villages and government offices in the province.